I would describe working with Noëlle as a very therapeutic way of optimizing yourself, of being the best version of yourself, if you want to. My name is Alex, and I'm 27 years old. The work that I'm doing with Noëlle shows up in almost every aspect of my life, like being in touch with my emotions and therefore being able to communicate with my outer world, with my family, even with my close ones, or even with strange people, like being able to define myself and to stand by it, to value every aspect of my feelings, and yeah, being able to communicate that was like very, very important for myself, and a very clear clear difference of my life before. And I'm getting feedback from my family and from my girlfriend especially, that they notice me being calmer and more straightforward in terms of being myself. Yeah, and that is really like relieving. I'm really enjoying this work and this progress, like, for myself. You work with Noëlle, but it doesn't feel like work. It just feels like somebody's coaching you to do your own best. You don't have to do something that you don't want to, because you only do it for yourself. And I think that's also really important. For example, if there are resistances coming up in the work or even in the talking, they are always respected, and they are always an important thing to look at. And I think that's a very caring way of dealing with emotions, of dealing with struggles and problems. And I think it's very important to have the option to work like that, because I think a lot of times people work against their resistances, against their own barriers, and I think sometimes that leads to more destruction and not healing. And in the work that I'm doing with Noëlle, I feel like it's a very healing process and a very healing way of working. Yeah. Another very important benefit of this work is that I am now able to be my own caretaker. I don't have to rely on other people so much to make myself feel better. For example, my girlfriend or my best friends, or like, these people are still important, but they are not like my anchor of feeling good or being okay with myself. Like, I can do that by far better now and for myself. And I think that's a very, very important benefit for me. Yeah. I was like in kind of lost place in my life, like not really knowing what step to take next. There were also small challenges for me, like in the daily life, that had to do with that. The most that has changed is, I think, the way that I'm looking at myself. I'm more content with myself all over. I'm able to help myself out in situations where I was kind of lost before. And one main thing is meditation. Being able to use it in almost every daily situation and helping me out and use it as a tool. That is one thing that has really changed. I could really implement practices that I developed with Noëlle into my daily life. I developed like a daily routine for myself, what was really a big issue for me because I didn't have one. And now I created it with the help of Noëlle, but by myself. And I think that's one important thing, even starting the day with a meditation or ending the day with a meditation, and yeah, to be in touch with myself very much and so much more than before. Yeah. I'm feeling that with Noëlle, you have someone who is really interested in complementing what you are doing well and improving that. And it's very comforting, because I didn't get to a point where I was like feeling forced to do something. I think the benefits for me, short-term or long-term, are for once that I can use meditation as almost everything that I need it to be, like as a way of calming myself down, asking myself what I need or what I don't need. I was also struggling with, and still am struggling with, addiction. And I think one really helpful way in my history of addiction is that work with Noëlle. I think right now it's the method or the training that helped me by far the most. And I'm really feeling comfortable, and I'm looking forward to working still on myself together with Noëlle. As I already said, it feels like a personal coach that is just trying to do anything to help you